Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update the mouse drivers on Windows 11. You so heard right, so I will tell you the steps, so let's get it. Go to search bar and type device manager. As you can see on the top here, open a device manager. Now in the left panel you have to search for the drive for mice. As you can see here, mice and other pointing devices. Double click on it. Now you can see the HID complaint mouse, it's the version, so right click on it. Now go to update driver option. Now you will get the two options. I will tell you what is it. First is search automatically for drivers. When you click on it, it will start searching for the latest drivers, and if you have already downloaded from the internet, you can just browse and just install it. So I guess you have not installed it, so go to search bar and it will start searching. It says you already installed the latest drivers, so if you have not downloaded yet, download now. After close this window, go to search bar again and type settings. I will tell you how to check updates for all the drivers. Now you can see here Windows update, click on it. Now you have to click on check for updates. It will take a few seconds and it will show up all the latest updates regarding all the drivers. You can download any latest drivers from this settings window. It will take few seconds to check for it, and it's checking for the updates. Okay, taking some time. You have to wait for some seconds. Okay, so it's say you up to date, and so you can check for the updates from here and download if you have not downloaded the latest guides and drivers. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.